guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I set up my AmandaRachLee Doodle Planner. So this is going to be a colour with me. So I'm going to colour in the March section of this planner. I have like a flip through of my February flip through on my Instagram PlanWithAds. It will be linked down below. I have the flip through of my February month where I coloured it in on my Instagram. So I decided that this month I would film it and then post it on YouTube as well as Instagram so you could see my process. So this is once again the AmandaRachLee Doodle Planner. It's in black with silver foil. So these are some of the pens I'll be using, and of course I'm going to be using green because, you know, sleeves. So I'm going to be using some Tombow brush pens in two tones of green, a darker and a lighter green. Some Crayola washable markers. These are not the super tip ones, but these are washable markers in two tones of green also. And then I have some Stabilo markers in two tones of green, a light and a darker. And then this is a Sipper pen, it's a fine tip pen. And then I have grey for the mood tracker for the neutral or the middle mood. So yeah, I've also got some washi tape that was gifted to me, so I don't know where they were from. I think they were from Amazon. So I've just have 5 different ones for each week, and I got all plant-based washi just for each week. And of course I've got my X-Acto knife and some tweezers from Perfect Prince Co. Link down below, and it has my name on it. So yeah, I'm just going to begin. I'm not going to talk through this much. Just going to let you guys watch it to music, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so as you can see, I have finished setting up my March monthly. I've coloured it in, used all my washi tape. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through from the first page to the last. That is the flip through. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me colouring my AmandaRachLee Doodle Planner. So if you noticed or didn't notice, I didn't like fully colour in each petal, so you can see some white, and it wasn't lazy colouring in. I was doing it on purpose because I did it with the February one and I really liked how it looked, so I decided to keep that going for each month that I could. So I just did one stroke of the pen or marker in each bit, so it's like halfway coloured in, and to me it looks good, so that's why I did it that way, not because I was doing lazy colouring in, for anyone who was wondering. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. Comment down below if you have a bullet journal, if you have this doodle planner, and what you have done to set it up for March. And also comment down below if you would like to see me doing these videos monthly on my channel, as well as doing it on my Instagram. And yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Bye.